Fines and costs are $600, but if you bring me a valid operator's license between now and December 1, I'll waive it. So I'd literally pay you $600 to pay that $300 and get your license.
Inside the courtroom.
Tajon, come on up. We'll be quick. Your appearance.
I go up for the record. That's Jeffrey Bowditch. Tajon witness.
Mr. West, I understand you're going to plead guilty to an added charge of failed to display a license on November 18, 2019. Is that correct? You understand your rights and the options they give you after discussing with Mr. Bowditch? You understand the possible penalty for this charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge today? November 18, 2019, did you drive a vehicle in Belleville?
Yeah.
At that time, did you have a license to show the officer, Mr. Bowditch, are you satisfied? I'll dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. West before I sentence him?
Your Honor, I think this is the 2019 case.
It's old.
Mr. West is in the process. He has completed all his responsibilities from all these other jurisdictions. All that's left now is the payment of the funds and jurisdictions, and then he should be fully licensed.
Okay, good. Are you working?
Thanks, great.
Where are you working at?
I do try working. Go ahead.
Okay. All right, so how many different courts are you paying right now?
I'm already very like 4.
No, how many, what do you have to left before you can get
I
your,
have some.
is it Dearborn? Good, good. You on a payment plan? Just, okay, so how close are you then? When do you think you'll have a license? Valid license in your pocket?
Midwinter.
Like, what's midwinter for you? Before New Year's? Okay. No, understood. Understood. How much you owe
Maybe right, but it's just a warrant game. I'm not already get up and see.
them? All right, so it's $300 standing between you and the license? How much money are you making on a weekly basis cutting hair?
Close.
All right. All right, so, but that's not one of the cases we had filed to set. So what's going on that file?
I'm sorry.
That's a Van Buren file. What's going on with that one?
That one, he failed to appear and for the court against his bond.
But he needs a date on it.
If they, it's the warrant and they're,
Yeah, but we can give him a date right now.
do you have that file?
I don't.
Yeah, because Andy's got it to forfeit his bond, so I couldn't get it.
What was the court date he missed?
September 19th.
And I ended up moving from the property. And that's why I didn't.
We handed Rania Saman, who posted the bond, handed her the notice, and we mailed it to the defendant.
Yeah, probably at the Railing address.
But we handed the person that posted
Yeah.
to give to him.
All right, I'm not gonna talk about your bond today, but can we at least give him a date so we don't have to? I can give you a case number. You need a case number just for the notice? You got it. All right, so October 17th is the Van Buren, that case. All right, so come back on that day. That's, oh, I'm sorry, that's Zoom. Judge Green? All right, that's Zoom with Judge Green. All right. You can talk about the bond with her. All right. Explain what happened. Today's file. You ain't gonna get a better deal than that anyway. December 1.
I appreciate it.
All right. So scrape up the 3, get your license, come in here and show it to us. That'll close that file. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Inside the courtroom.